In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new builder in Mailchimp. Navigating through new software updates can sometimes be a bit tricky, but worry not. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Whether you're an experienced user looking to catch up with the latest features or a new member of the Mailchimp family, this guide will ensure you're up to speed in no time. First up, we're going to start at the very beginning, logging into your Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp's login page. The link should direct you to a straightforward screen where you're prompted to enter your username or email. Make sure you enter the details associated with your account. This might seem like a basic step, but ensuring you're entering the correct details prevents unnecessary hiccups right from the start. Next is entering your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure you're entering it exactly as you set it up. Those upper and lowercase letters are important. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. Just look for the forgot password link and follow the instructions to set a new one. Now you're ready to click on the login button. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll be taken directly to the Mailchimp homepage. This serves as your command center where you can manage campaigns, view reports, and much more. Once you're in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. It's from here that you dive deeper into your account settings and preferences. So click on your profile to proceed. It's worth spending some time familiarizing yourself with the different options available in the profile section. Following that, click on settings. Within settings, you'll find a plethora of options allowing you to customize your Mailchimp experience. The focus here is to get you acquainted with the locations of various settings. Understanding where everything is will save you a lot of time in the future. Now, for one of the crucial steps, navigating to the details section. This is where the core of our today's tutorial unfolds, accessing and using the new builder in Mailchimp. The details section houses important account information and preferences that can enhance how you use Mailchimp. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, accessing the new builder. The new builder in Mailchimp introduces a more intuitive and streamlined way to create and manage your campaigns. With this new builder, you have enhanced control and flexibility over your designs, allowing you to create visually appealing and effective email campaigns. Now you might be wondering, what makes this new builder so special? Well, it's designed with user friendliness in mind. Whether you are looking to drag and drop elements, preview your campaigns on different devices, or utilize advanced segmentation and personalization features, the new builder accommodates all these needs in an accessible manner. A handy tip for first-time users of the new builder is to take advantage of the tutorials and guides offered by Mailchimp right within the builder interface. These resources are incredibly helpful in getting you acquainted with all the new features and functionalities at your disposal. Additionally, don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts and elements. The undo and redo buttons are there for a reason, to make the creation process as forgiving and flexible as possible. Remember, the key to mastering the new builder, or any new tool for that matter, is patience and practice. Start with the simple projects to get a feel for the new interface, and gradually work your way up to more complex campaigns. And always keep an eye out for updates or new features being rolled out by Mailchimp. They're continuously working on improving the platform, and staying updated ensures you're making the most out of your digital marketing efforts. That wraps up our guide on how to use the new builder in Mailchimp. We've covered logging into your account, navigating to your profile, accessing settings, and most importantly, diving into the new builder itself. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to creating stunning email campaigns that captivate your audience. Remember, the essence of a great campaign lies not just in the content, but also in how it's presented. Happy creating, and see you in our next tutorial.